it's me Bihumo here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 tips for studying in nursing exam. Well, I know it sounds interesting and it's overwhelming for me as well to talk about this. Okay, so tip number 1. Tip number 1 is watch videos from YouTube. All you have to do is download a YouTube app, search whichever disease condition you want, and I know that they will show you plenty of videos, but to make it easier for you, I usually prefer osmosis, and there is dose of medicine, there is USMLE, ACE-IN. So these are few channels which provide great help, and you can learn it from those videos because they will provide you pictorial representation, 3D animation, which will help you in remembering it, and which can stick into your mind or stick in your brain when you are writing exams. You can just picture them or picture them in your exams and you can write it instantly. So this is the magical tip number 1. Well, tip number 2. Tip number 2 is write and learn. So I'm saying it again, write and learn. While you are writing it and learning it, there's a functioning of the brain which inclines. So when you write it, every one of you knows about this proverb, practice makes man perfect, right? So when you write it and you learn it, there's a big difference. This is one of my favorite techniques because I used to write and learn. There will be an individual differences because all are not same. Some will prefer to just read it from the text and learn it, but some will prefer to write it. So that's really based on your capabilities. Okay guys, so much of disturbance here. Tip number 3 is make mnemonics. I hope you all know what mnemonic is. It is like a pattern of letters which will help you in remembering something. So these mnemonics are the gem of your study. So you just have to make mnemonics. I didn't mean mnemonics is not same as acronyms. Acronyms are like LOL, but then there is LAMAO. It's not that similar, but you can make acronyms and to remember it, but we call it mnemonics. So mnemonics are something which can really help you in remembering. And in nursing syllabus, I know that nursing syllabus is very vast. So it will be helpful for you if you make mnemonics and learn it. And there are some topics which is very difficult to catch it, and some of the principles, if you want to learn it, it won't stick to the numbers. So if you make the mnemonics, and you can remember in exams very well. Well, one of the examples of mnemonics is warning signs for cancer. We have caution, right? CAUTION in nursing. So it can be that way, or it can be like recently I had exam and I made that bring a rose in ICU. So there is that, DAD, that, and each letter carries a word or a sentence so that you can remember the principles of anything in the exams, and you can write it there and just put it out in your exam paper. So that is the tip number 3. Tip number 4. Tip number 4 is refer previous question papers. I know now it's going to be very interesting because this is one of the best thing in exams, and this tip is for those who are affiliated under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, because my college is affiliated under this university. And as per experience for 1 to 4 years, I can say that Rajiv Gandhi University likes to give repeated kind of questions. So you can just refer the previous questions and just refer them and learn it, rather than just going and learning the giant textbook, which is not adorable. I know most of the girls or most of the nursing students doesn't like to learn, except for those who are genius. So yeah, that is the tip number 4. Always and always refer previous question papers. Okay, so guys, and the last and the final tip number 5. Tip number 5 is group discussion. discussion. Okay, this is something which I want to tell you guys, because this is not a group discussion in the beginning, but this is something you have to do the group discussion at the last minute. So what you have to do is you just go to your friends who are more knowledgeable than you or your study companion and discuss the important questions. When you discuss it at the last minute, those are the magical questions which really comes in your exam paper. So when you discuss at the last minute, those 90 to 100% of what you have learned will stay in your brain and will activate, and you can put it out in your exam paper. And because you have learned it at the last minute and discuss it at the end, it will actually stimulate your brain, and it will actually show more of grease in your exam paper. So those are the 5 magical tips for studying in nursing exams. And well, actually you can say that those are the 5 tips which I use for studying in nursing exams. Well, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any queries about nursing, or you want me to make videos on nursing or any topic you have in your mind, please comment below and I will check it out and get back to you soon. I'll see you then. Love you all.